After watching this video, you will learn how I was able to make $550,000 in 7 months using this affiliate marketing strategy I'm about to show you. I am not only going to show you how you can make this life-changing money, but also change your financial status forever and be the boss of your own. I'm going to share a straightforward affiliate marketing strategy designed specifically for beginners and those with a little experience. This strategy is easy to follow, requires no upfront investment, and is perfect for anyone who wants to start earning online. The best part? You don't need to buy a website. Affiliate marketing can seem overwhelming at first, with so many tools, platforms, and strategies to choose from. But I'll break it down into actionable steps that you can follow today and start making money immediately. This method focuses on creating comparison reviews, a proven way to attract buyers and earn commissions. So let's get right into it. So why do we choose to focus on comparison reviews? You see, when people are about to make a purchase, they often search for comparisons between similar products and how one often performs better than the other. These searches usually mean one thing: the person is ready to buy, but just needs a final nudge. By providing a helpful, honest comparison, you can position yourself as the trusted guide who helps them decide. And when they click your affiliate link to purchase, you earn a commission. Comparison reviews are effective because they target high-intent buyers. These are people who are actively looking for information to make a purchase decision. This means you won't have to convince them to buy. They're already planning to. Your job is simply to provide value and direct them to the best option. And the best way to do this is by creating simple tables that will be hosted on a website. More about this later in the video. So the first thing to do is picking the right products. You don't want to go wrong here, because if you get this wrong, then the remaining part of the process is useless. The cheat sheet is that you'll want to focus on products that are in demand. Products that are trending or have consistent demand in whatever niche you are trying to sell in. High converting. Products that are known to perform well for affiliate sales. Start by exploring affiliate networks like ClickBank, CJ Affiliate Share a Sale, Amazon Associates, Digistore24. For example, if you're in the self-improvement niche, you might compare digital products like Wealth Mindset Mastery versus Billionaire Brainwave. If you're in the tech niche, you could compare 2 popular software tools, like Canva versus Adobe Spark. Research each product thoroughly. Check reviews, sales pages, and testimonials to understand the key features and benefits. If you are wanting to take your affiliate marketing journey into a fast and quick success and start making $10,000 in your first month, I recommend you join the same affiliate program I joined. In this program, you will learn how I went from working as a human guinea pig to pay my bills to making $388,677 my very first year online with zero experience. How my students Frank, Anna, David, Keenan, Seth, and Hernan all earned over $908.89 after watching the same free training, Proof Inside. How you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per day without learning a new skill, creating a product, or even building a website. If that sounds good to you, I will see you in the program. So the second step is creating a comparison table. A comparison table is a simple but powerful way to present your findings. It visually breaks down the differences between products, making it easy for viewers to understand which product suits their needs best. You can use free tools like Canva, Google Sheets, or even Microsoft Word to create your table. Include columns such as features that highlight key functionalities of each product, benefits that explain how these features translate into value for the user, pricing to compare the cost of each product, including any subscription plans or discounts, and lastly, user ratings that summarize reviews or feedback from actual users. For example, if you're comparing 2 digital marketing tools, your table might look like this. This table makes it easier for your audience to see the pros and cons at a glance. And the fun fact is, if you can also try to do a YouTube video explaining these products, that is more win for you. The third step is adding value through research. Your comparison needs to be more than just a table. It should reflect the time and effort you've put into understanding the products. Get into the details, such as unique selling points, USPs, of each product, exactly what sets the product apart from others, specific use cases, and who each product is best suited for, common complaints or drawbacks for each product, For instance, if one product is great for beginners, while the other is better suited for advanced users, make that distinction clear. You need to understand that transparency builds trust, and trust is key to converting readers into buyers. The fourth step is choosing the right platform. The beauty of this strategy is that you don't need a personal website. You need a website that has authority on Google already, because when users head over to Google and search for a particular product, your review shows up because of the authority these platforms have. Here are 3 platforms you can use to publish your comparison content for free. Medium.com. Medium is a popular blogging platform with a built-in audience. You can head over to Medium and write a detailed article, include your affiliate links, and publish it. Medium's SEO-friendly structure can help your article rank on Google. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is ideal for reaching professionals, especially if your products are work-related, like software tools or online courses. Post your comparison as an article or status update to gain visibility. YouTube, highly recommended. Video content is incredibly engaging. Create a simple slideshow video of your comparison using Canva Video Editor, InVideo, or PowerPoint. Speak over the slides, explaining the key points. Don't forget to include your affiliate links in the description. Each platform has its own advantages. Choose the one that best aligns with your audience and content style, and make sure that your affiliate links are added to these platforms accordingly. If you are enjoying this video, kindly like and subscribe for more. The 5th step is driving traffic to your content. Once your comparison is live, the next step is to attract readers or viewers, which is how we make money. Here are a few traffic-generating tactics. Search engine optimization. Optimize your content with keywords like product A versus product B, best example niche tool, or product B. Social media sharing. Share your comparison on Facebook, Twitter, or Reddit. Join niche-specific groups or forums where people are discussing similar products. Engage with communities. Answer questions on platforms like Quora and Reddit, linking back to your content where relevant. Email marketing. If you have a small email list, share your comparison with your subscribers. Lastly, adding affiliate links strategically. Your affiliate links should be strategically placed throughout your content. Include them in the introduction as part of a call to action, the comparison table linking directly to each product, the conclusion, encouraging readers to click and learn more. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. A simple disclaimer like, "This post contains affiliate links. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you," builds trust and complies with legal requirements. Step 7. Analyze and optimize. Finally, track your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics for blog posts or YouTube Studio for videos. Monitor metrics such as click-through rates, CTR on your affiliate links, views, likes, and shares of your content. Conversion rates. How many people clicked your link and made a purchase? Experiment with different products, formats, and platforms to see what works best. Over time, you'll refine your strategy and grow your earnings. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on comparison reviews, you can tap into a high-intent audience and start earning commissions with minimal effort. The steps are simple. Choose 2 products to compare. Create a helpful, honest comparison table. Publish your content on free platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Drive traffic using SEO and social media. Optimize your content based on performance data. Consistency is the key here. Even if you don't see immediate results, keep publishing and testing new ideas. With time, your efforts will pay off. If you want to learn how I made over $4,000 by watching videos, watch this video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, sharing which products you're excited to compare. I'd love to hear about your journey.